In this video, I'm going to show you all the message boxes that you can create with Python Tkinter and using only one statement for each message box. Since we are going to use only messages boxes, we are not going to import anything else than the message box module, and we are not going to even create a TK window. For each type of a message box and for each clicked button, there is a possible but fixed answer, and I'm going to show you the different types of answers that you can get when you click on these buttons. And here is the code that will allow you to create all the message box available in Python Tkinter. So first you create an empty list. Then you call the method or the function that will create the message box, but you recuperate the returned value. Then you add or you append that return value to the empty list created earlier. And at the end, when you call all the message boxes, you can print the list to see the answers returned. So for different types of answer, we have the show info method. It will create an info message box. We have only one button, the OK button. If we click on it or we close the window, we will have the answer OK, a string OK. Same thing for the show error method and the show warning method. We have the OK results and as a string, whether we click on the OK button or we close the window. The ask OK cancel, we will have true if we click on OK, and cancel, if we click on cancel or close the window, we will have the false answer. For the ask question, if we click on yes, we will have yes answer, the string yes. If we click on no, we will have the no, and the close button will be disabled. For the ask try cancel method, if we click on try, we will have the answer true, and if we click on cancel or close, we will have the answer false. For the ask yes or no, if we click, we will have two buttons, the yes or the no. If we click on yes, we will have true. If we click on no, we will have false. And if we close the button, we can't, because the close button will be disabled. And for the ask yes, no, cancel, if we click on yes, we will have true. If we click on no, we will have false. If we click on cancel or we close the message box, we will have none. In this video, we saw how to simply create different kinds of message boxes. If you are interested in a different widget, let's say frame, for example, you can check this suggested video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.